This hydrogen water bottle with SPE and PEM technology offers a sleek and efficient way to enjoy high-quality hydrogen water. This bottle stands out with its ability to generate water with a high hydrogen content of 3000 ppb in just 5 minutes, thanks to its premium platinum-coated titanium electrode. The quick ionization process ensures you get a potent dose of hydrogen, which many users appreciate for its potential benefits. The bottle is constructed from food-grade high borosilicate glass, which is BPA-free, ensuring your health and safety. The double-walled design aids in heat retention and prevents scaling, making it durable and easy to handle. The user-friendly design includes a simple on-off switch, and the bottle lights up in 7 colors with an LED display that shows remaining time and battery level. Convenience is another strong point of this hydrogen water bottle. It can be used up to 15 times on a full charge, making it perfect for those on the go. The included tea filter is a nice touch, allowing you to infuse your water with flavors like lime or herbs, adding versatility to your hydration routine. On the downside, some users might find the initial cost of the bottle a bit high. However, considering its advanced technology and health benefits, it's a worthy investment. In conclusion, this hydrogen water bottle is a great choice for anyone looking to enhance their hydration with high-quality hydrogen water. Its blend of advanced technology, user-friendly design, and portability make it a valuable addition to your daily routine.